Hey YouTube, this is your girl, the hair guru Carla, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am doing a simple hairstyle. I'm doing a bun. A matter of fact, I'll be doing 3 different buns, but it's a simple do-it-yourself, do-it-at-home hairstyle using inexpensive hair. I'm using the braiding hair by Expressions. It's the extra long expression hair, and it's also the short pre-stretch hair. So I am showing y'all how simple and quick and inexpensive this hairstyle is, where y'all can do it yourself. The cost of the hair is under $5. The long extra long expression is $2.99, and the shorter one, I think I paid $1.99. So it's very inexpensive, and doing the hairstyle, it takes like 30 minutes, not too long, and it lasts 2 weeks. So altogether, this is a very convenient hairstyle, very inexpensive, and very conservative. Also, if you have thin edges, you can still wear this hairstyle, because if you keep watching the video, you're gonna see I added a bang in the front, and that can cover up any thinning edges or people that don't have no edges at all. So y'all keep watching the video. As y'all can see, I'm molding my hair. I'm using the Nairobi Set Lotion foam. I like that better because my hair is thick and it softens my hair and it lays my hair slicker. So I mold my hair with the foam, then I wrap my hair with the paper wrap and sit on the dry for like 20 minutes. And after my hair is dried, then I use the spritz. This foam makes my hair much slicker because, like I said, my hair is thick and coarse. So I do that first before I do the spritz. After my hair is dry, I'm adding a little bit of oil sheen, and then I'm gonna add some spritz to make it hold hard, because the foam is like a soft hold. So I'm using the spritz to make it hard, and also the blow dryer. The blow dryer is gonna make the spritz hard, so the ponytail will hold up and last for a long time. So now I'm about to do the bun. This is the Expressions extra long hair. So that's the first bun, and that hair was pretty long and pretty thick. So this is gonna be a big bun, and that's for the people that likes the big thick buns. I really don't, but I'm just showing you the difference of the size and the thick. So I just cut the rubber band off. The rubber band come to hold the hair in the packet, but I don't use that. Some people do, but I don't. What I did, I tied the hair onto my hair, and then I separate a portion of the hair to make the bangs. So the bangs are kind of thin. Like I say, I did 3 different types of buns and hair and bangs, so I'm gonna try the thin bang for the first bun. So I separated the hair. Now I'm twisting the hair and cutting it. That's gonna cut it into an angle. So now I'm using the long clips. They're called duckbill clips. I'm using that to hold the bangs down and keep it in place while I cut the hair, and keep it away from the back so I wouldn't add none of the front into the back. So now I'm cutting the sides, I'm shaping the sides. so that I have my fringes on the side and my bangs in the top. Okay, so this is braiding here, and I know y'all wondering why I'm using a flat iron on the braiding here. Everyone knows if you put heat to braiding here, it fizzles and it melts. But let me explain what I did. I turned my flat irons on for a few seconds until it's hot. Then I turned it back off and I let it cool off. So after it cooled off a little, that's when I flat iron the bangs. So I flat iron it on a warm flat iron. It's not hot at all, it's warm. Just enough to bump the hair and make it not look so undone. So after I realized the bangs was too thin, I added some more hair to the front. Took some hair from the back and added to the front so the bangs can be a little fuller. And now I'm cutting it with my ultrasonic razor to blend with the front, make it even with the front. That's better. It's a little more fuller.
So remember now, the flat irons has to be warm, not hot at all. Some people flat irons have the warm settings or the low settings. Even mine, I do too, but even on my low settings, my flat irons are very, very hot. I tested on a piece of hair that was not in my hand while it was on the low settings and it burned the hair. So that's why I have to turn mine off and use it when it's warm.
So the hair was a little bit still too long for me. So I don't like hair touching my eyes. When I blink, the hair is right there. So I went ahead and cut a little bit more with the upward motions of the shears. That's to give it that jagged look. I do not want a blunt bang. So that's why I'm cutting it in that motion. And now I'm gonna put the little paper wraps on my bangs just so it'll just to hold the bangs down and make it flatter while I'm doing the top, while I'm doing my bun. So now I'm separating the hair into two pieces, and I'm gonna twist the first piece and wrap it around my hair. My hair is, I'm going to use my hair as a base to wrap the twist around it. But even if you have short hair, you can still wrap the hair without a base. But my hair is there, so I'm just going to use it as a base since it's there. But you can do this without, you can even have a little pixie ponytail. You can still make a bun out of that. Using the blow dry to take away some of the frizz is gonna melt the hair a little and make it look a little bit neater. Okay, so like I said, this is the extra long expression hair. It's thicker and it's longer, so it makes a bigger bun. This bun is bigger and it's a little high. Like I said, I don't care for big high buns, but because of the thickness of the hair and the length of the hair, it's gonna give you a big bun. Okay, so this is bun number one, and I just took my paper off. Bangs are kind of thin, but I guess it's okay. So now I'm gonna be doing bun number two. So this is the end of the video for the first bun. It's bigger and it's longer. So this is bun number 2. Instead of me separating the hair into 2 pieces, I'm just gonna put it into one and just use the one whole piece to wrap around my ponytail to make the bun. This bun was easier to do than the first bun. This one was very easy. Anybody can do this bun. And I'm putting a little bit of pump it up just to hold the bun in place, and using the blow dryer to take away the frizz and to keep it firm. Okay, so this is the final bun, and I'm using the expression pre-stretch here. As y'all can see, it looks much different from the extra long expression. It looks a little bit more, it looks like human hair, but it's not, and it's easier to comb, it's shorter, and it's thinner. And the hair looks much better to me. It's easier to comb through and to maneuver. So the bun is going to be smaller because the pack is shorter and thinner. So this is the smaller bun, but I'm gonna go in, and after I make the bun, it came out small, but I just went in and I pulled the top up a little to make the bun a little higher. Not fatter, but higher. So with this hairstyle, I wanted thicker bangs. So I added more hair to the front, and that took away hair from the back. So that's why my bun was a little smaller than the last bun. But overall, this hair is easier for me to work with. It's not as thick and long as the expressions, but it's very, very easy to work with. So y'all just let me know which bun y'all like better. Y'all leave y'all comment, and if y'all like my video, give me a thumbs up. And I hope that y'all can learn from this video. If y'all want to do a simple bun, a simple and expensive bun, this is the way to go. It really, really lasts. It lasts like 2 weeks. Well, with tying my hair up, it lasted 2 weeks. So, it's something quick to do if you don't want to spend that money, or if you don't want to spend time in the salon. This is a do-it-yourself at home hairstyle. Yes, that bun is too small. So, like I said, I went in and I pulled it up a little and make it a little higher, because that is too small for me. Too tall to wear a small bun like that. So y'all consider, when y'all are doing this hairstyle, y'all probably need 2 packs to make the buns bigger if y'all want to use this hair, because like I said, this hair is easier to work with. So like I said, this bun is way too small for me. So I went in and I just make it a little taller. I just pulled the hair up in the very top of the bun, and that was it. I did not take it down, and I did not add any hair. So you'll see on the last picture, the bun look a little taller, and I was satisfied with that. But some people like a smaller bun, some people like bigger buns, some people like taller buns. But You know, I don't care for the bigger buns, but at least it needs to be a little taller than it is right now at this time in the video. So thank y'all for watching my video. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow along, and I hope most of you or all of you, if y'all want to do this hairstyle, it's easy for y'all to do. And y'all can let me know which one of the buns was the favorite, bun 1, 2, or 3. Y'all can leave me a comment. If y'all like my video, give me a thumbs up. And oh yeah, there we go right there, the bun, but I stretched the top out to make it longer. So thank y'all for watching my video. Until the next video, stay blessed.